Hey, this is a short video about symbolization of polygon layers in QGIS. I have here a municipality layer of all the municipalities in Norway, and I want to show this without the fill color but with a stroke or outline color. And I also have another layer showing nature in Norway, and I want to show all these polygons with a green fill color but not with the outline color. So let's start then with nature. Often in Windows-based system, if you want to change something, you double click on it. So if I want to change the color and the symbolization here, I double click on this little square in the layers list. And this opens the layer properties for this layer and the symbology tab. I click on the lower one of the simple fill because that allows me to change both the fill color and the stroke color. So this was nature, and nature should be green. So let's pick one of the available green colors. You can see how it changed here, and this may be okay. So pick this one, and then I want to show this without stroke color. The best thing, if you do not want to have a stroke color, is not to click on this to edit the color, but to click on the drop down arrow and choose transparent stroke. So this will set the outline color to nothing. You click OK, and this appears as green without the outline color. Then we can make the changes of the municipality layer. So again, we double click on the square, we click on simple fill, and here we do not want the fill color. So again, we take the drop down arrow and choose the fill color to be transparent. And the stroke color, I don't know, would you like it to be black? Yeah, maybe black is good. Maybe we could have it a little bit wider. We can change this, of course, later. We click OK, and now when we don't have any fill color for the municipality, we see, of course, the layer below, which is nature, then very clearly. And then this is then nice illustration for a task I need to do, because I need to calculate for each of the municipality what is the area of the nature within that municipality. So everything which is green here, what is the area of it? And of course, urban municipality have less nature than rural municipality, but we don't know how much, but that can QGIS calculate for us.